to my channel. It's been a minute. If you guys love my hair, I love my hair. First time I'm doing, I went blonde basically. Alright, so today's video is going to be a tutorial video on, nude makeup. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep watching, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. I'm just gonna moisturize my face with this toner, vitamin C toner by BADDIE Cosmetics. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, I would be glad to show you. Just comment down below if you're interested. I'm gonna use 24K micolor primer. It's a liquid primer. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply very little. I don't need much on my face. I don't sweat that much anyway, so I don't need that much. That's it. So I'm just gonna go in with the last primer. This is LA Girl Face Finity All Day Primer. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys the brushes I'm going to be using for this look. I'm also going to be using another set of brushes. They're pink! Oh my god! Alright, let's start with my brows, and for that I'm going to be using hair wax. Of course, here you go. I'm going to be using one of the naked brushes to wax my eyebrows. Look at how well defined they are. So for the pencil, I'm just gonna be using this eyebrow pencil by Lip Fashion. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna mattify my brows. So I'm just gonna go in with the powder. I'm gonna be using this palette. This is a powder palette. It's by Ushas. Yes, I'm gonna be using one of the naked brushes. Here you go, naked. Okay. So I'm just gonna use it to mattify my brows. So sorry, I use my products a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and draw my brows. First thing you do, you outline your brows. Don't just go in and start painting. Okay, just work on the edges. Just lightly outline it, just slightly. Okay. Then you do the same for the top of your brows. Do you see? It's that easy. Just lightly brush it, lightly. Okay, let's do it off camera. Okay, there we have it. So next, you're just gonna take your brush, your spoolie, and then you brush, brush them equally. Okay, so I'm gonna be using another naked brush. Notice the way it is. This is my naked brush. Okay. Got the angle, and then I will also be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shades Toffee. I like to work from the inside, from these edges here. Do you see? Start by applying, just apply it on your eyelid. Just apply enough, and then you work your way up. Okay, work your way to the top. Do you see? Very, very simple. Very simple, very easy. When we're done with this, you're gonna take your foundation as well. LA Girl Pro Conceal. Okay, but this is LA Girl Pro Matte. Okay, so same thing, just I'm just gonna blend it all out like this. So now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 50. This is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. So I'm just gonna apply it because I want to apply my eyeshadow. So there's an eyeshadow base, I have that too, but I like to use this. I'm trying to put this on right now. But go again to blend it all out. And when you're blending, please do not rub, do not smear, just dab. Okay, just dab it into the skin. So I'm gonna take one of my brushes Yeah, I think this one. I like this particular shape, so I'm gonna apply the lighter shades at the edge. Yeah, and then the other, my own shade will be, yeah, something like this. I'm just trying to mattify my eyes. Okay, so I am done with that. Yeah, so I can now apply my eyeshadow. This is by Canlin. Okay, it's by Canlin, and I love this eyeshadow. Why? Because the colors, the pigment, they are so bright. I mean, look, it's beautiful, isn't it? So my transition shade is going to be this brown as my transition shade. I'm gonna pick this, and then I'm gonna pick this. Okay, as my full, cut crease, because I'm gonna cut a crease over there. I'm done with my transition shade, so it's now time to cut my crease. So I'm going to be using the other side of this brush. Okay, look at it, to cut my crease. And then the concealer palette I'm going to use to cut my crease is Frankbee Concealer palette. It is very one. Yes, I'm going to use this one. Okay, notice what I'm doing here. I'm going to apply it at the tip of my eyes, and then I'm going to look up. Okay, do you see? It has cut the crease for me. It tells me where to, start drawing my crease from. Okay, so you're just going to follow it like that. Alright, so I just finished with both of them. So I'm just going to go in again with my transition shade, the shade Hottie. I'm going to go in and just blend it all in. Okay, so I'm going to blend it into the crease. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to pick a nude color. Okay, the first one is marshmallow, the second one is hot chocolate. Okay, so I'll mix them both. I'm just going to show you how I did it. Okay, so I went into my palette, right, and I went in with this color, Camel Days. It's like a yellow kind of color, but not orangey like yellow. Yeah, this one. So I went in with this, and then I went in with the one I said was going to go in, which is this one. So I use this as my second transition. Okay, so from that one, I'm going to transition into the nude, color. Okay. So now we just blend everything together. Yep. So we blend everything together now. So I'm gonna take the other brush I used, this one, and I'm gonna use it to blend all my colors together. So I'm gonna apply my mascara. Okay. I want it to dry before I apply my lashes. Okay, I'm gonna be applying glitters. Yes, I'm gonna be applying from this same palette. So you see that this palette is like everything. Okay, so to be able to do that, you need glitter glue. Okay, so this is glitter. I just applied the one for this eye. Okay, so let me teach you how I did it. All right, so I took my glitter glue and I applied the glue on the area, just that part where you want to apply the glitters. Okay, as tiny as this, right? And then you use it to apply your glitters. Just it picks it up immediately, and then you apply. It's that simple. That's it. Okay, as usual, I'm going to be using my Elegel Pro Matte foundation. I look really funny right now, but let's blend it all out. So I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out. Okay, here is how it looks like. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 45. Yes, I think here. So I start blending. Notice how I'm doing it. The areas I want to conceal. Do you see? So now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Face Studio setting powder with my nose, of course. I'm gonna apply my black opal finishing powder. Right, while this is sitting on my face, I'm just gonna take my contour palette. This is my contour palette from micolor. This is my color contour palette. So I'm just gonna contour my face. Okay, starting with my nose. This is what I'm gonna use. This is very good. Notice the kind of brush I'm using to contour. It's a slanted brush. You see, it's a slanted, so it makes it easy to contour. I'm gonna use it to contour, to wipe off the powder by blending it out. I'm gonna be using this big, fluffy powder brush to do that. Okay, so sorry, I almost forgot that I was filming, so I have this little lip palette. Okay, so I'm gonna take the red color and use it as my blush. This very one. I'm gonna be using it as my blush. So now I'm gonna go in with Kiss Beauty makeup fixing spray. Alright guys, so I just put up my lashes, and here we are. Guys, for my lip I'm gonna be using this Davy's lip pencil. So I'm done with that. Alright, I'm gonna go for a nude lip. I think I want to make the center a bit light, so I'm gonna go in with the light. Yes guys, here we are. Okay, so I just finished up this look, but I haven't highlighted my face yet, so I'm going to be using the highlight of this palette. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of it. I'm going to use my finger tip to apply a little bit on the tip of my nose. Like that. And then a little bit at the junction of my nose bridge, okay? The corner on the arc of my brows. Yeah, just a little. So guys, that's the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what look you'd like me to do next. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.